Good morning, dear cadets. So, as you know, we are in the types of chemical reactions. So, before the summer vacation, I taught you basically two types of chemical reaction. The first one is the combination reaction. Second one is the decomposition reaction. Okay. So, in decomposition reaction, basically three types are there. What is that one? Three types: thermal decomposition, photolytic decomposition, and electrolytic decomposition. So all the three types of decomposition reaction in the previous video already I have explained. Now again I am starting from the types of reaction only. So how many types of reactions are there? Combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, then redox, neutralization, and precipitation reaction. So these are the overall types of reactions. So two reactions I have already covered. Now today I am starting the third types of reaction, that is neutralization reaction. Actually I am not supposed to teach in this way since I am quarantine. That is why I am giving you this kind of video. So just one video you tolerate. It means next week onwards, as usual, I will take classes on the blackboard. Okay. So sorry for the inconvenience caused due to this reason, but you have to cooperate with me for just for one video. Okay. So hopefully you will not take it otherwise. Okay. I am not supposed to teach in this way. Okay. That to chemistry subject. Okay. So now neutralization reaction. What is the neutralization reaction? Reaction between acids and bases. Okay. Reaction, just write down here, reaction in which acids and bases react together. Acids and bases react together. Reaction in which acids and bases react together are called neutralization reaction. Neutralization are called neutralization reaction. Okay. So here what is there? Acid plus bases, that is equal to salt plus water. Since in this reaction salt is formed during the course of, here you can write, during the course of this reaction, during the course of this reaction salt is formed. That is why this reaction is known as salt formation reaction. What is this one? Salt formation reaction. What is the name of this reaction? Salt formation reaction. Okay. So just try to understand here. I will give you some examples. What are the examples? Just see. NaOH. What is this one? This is base. It is reacting with HCl. What is HCl? This is acid. So what does it form? It forms NaCl plus H2O. NaCl is salt. Okay. So always remember, during the course of neutralization reaction, only two products are there. One is salt, other is water. Always remember. This is the characteristics of neutralization reaction. In product side, only two things would be there, salt and water. Okay. So this is salt and this is water. Okay. Many examples are there. Okay. Like just see. This is KOH. Okay. What is this one? Base, potassium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide. This is potassium hydroxide. Okay, it is reacting with sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So what are the product? Just see. How I am writing this one, you can understand in better way, because already I have taught you chemical reactions and equations, and that time I have given you the enough idea. Now here, this is the positive, this is the negative. This is hydrogen is positive, sulfate is negative. Sulfate is having two negative charge, potassium is having single positive charge. Just see here, K positive, single positive, SO4 two negative. So crisscross this one, this is K2SO4. So write down here K2SO4, okay, plus H2O. So K2SO4, this is salt, and what is this one? This is water. Okay, what is the next one? Next one, another example you can write. This is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide, this is also base. One indication I am giving you, just see, substance which contain OH, hydroxide ion, they are called bases. The substance which contain H, hydrogen, just see, here also hydrogen is there, here also hydrogen is there, they are called acids. Okay, so chemically, just see, in lower classes what you have studied, acids are the substances, acids are the substances which turns blue litmus paper red and whose taste is sour. Okay, so that is on the way that these are the definition on the basis of physical property of acids and bases. Okay, bases are the substances which are sour in taste and soapy on touch, and they turn red litmus paper blue. But just see, in higher class what you will study? You will study the substance which contain OH, that is called base. The substance which contain H positive, that is called acids. Okay, so another example I am giving you. This is ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Suppose it is reacting with hydrochloric acid. So this is base. What is this one? This is base. And what is this one? Acid. So what does it form? Now again just see, here NH4 single positive, and this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. So positive will react with the negative one, Cl. So it will react with Cl. So crisscross this one. This is NH4Cl. So what is this one? This is NH4Cl plus H2O. What is this one? This is ammonium chloride. What is this one? This is salt. And what is this one? Water. What is this one? Water. Again just try to understand. What is this one? This is NaOH plus what is there? Acetic acid, CH3COOH. So what is this one? This is also acid, but you can say, sir, this is also containing OH. Means this definition which I told you, that the substance which contain OH, okay, they are bases. So here you can say, sir, this is also containing OH, this is base, but actually this is acid. Now try to understand, here alone OH is not there, along with the OH again O is there. Okay, this is acid. Now I will teach you, don't worry, in organic chemistry that carbon and compounds are there. In that time I will teach you. This is acid, this is base. Okay, so now here what does it form? It will form CH3COOH. What does it form? CH3COO Na plus what is there? H2O. What is this one? This is sodium acetate. What is this one? Sodium acetate. And what is this one? This is water. Okay, so all these are the examples of neutralization reaction. So once again, what is the neutralization reaction? Neutralization reactions are those reactions in which acids and bases react together and form the salt. Why they are called neutralization reaction? Because this salt which is formed, salts are neither acid nor bases. That is why they are neutral. Okay. So just see, here also salt is formed, here also salt is formed, and this is also salt only. So why this reaction is called neutralization reaction? Because during the course of these reactions salt is formed, and salt is neither acid nor bases. That is why they are called neutralization reaction. In this way your neutralization reaction is over. Now another reaction I will teach you, that is precipitation reaction. What is it? Precipitation reaction. So okay dear cadets, now next types of reaction is precipitation reaction. What is the precipitation reaction? Reaction in which insoluble compound, this insoluble compound is only called precipitate. Reaction in which insoluble compound precipitate is formed when the solution of two compounds react together. Okay, just see, solution of two compounds. Just try to understand what is this one. This is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay, it reacts with HCl. This is also acid and its aqueous solution. Then what is forming? One product is NaCl, another one is H2O, another one is CO2, carbon dioxide gas. So just see, this is the compound and their aqueous solution. This is also compound and their aqueous solution are reacting together and forming the precipitate. Okay, so just try to understand here, this sodium chloride which is formed here. Now try to understand. Right now precipitate is not formed. This CO2 which is forming here, if this CO2 is supplied to lime water. What is this one? Calcium hydroxide, chemical name, and generally it is known as lime water. When it is supplied, then one insoluble substance, that is calcium carbonate and water is formed. What is this one? This is calcium carbonate. This is milky substance. What is this one? Milky appearance. What is this one? Milky appearance. This is only precipitate. What is this one? Precipitate. Okay, now try to understand here. There are so many examples. You can give many more examples. Now try to understand here. Any other example can also be given as far as the precipitation reaction is concerned. So precipitate is nothing but a insoluble substance which is formed during the course of reaction of two substances aqueous solution. And now try to understand. Here we can widen the horizon of this definition. Precipitate is also formed. Just see, precipitate is also formed when gas is supplied to the aqueous solution of one substance. Here you can write, precipitate is also formed. Precipitate is also formed when precipitate is also formed when gas is supplied to the aqueous solution of one substance. Okay, aqueous solution of one substance. Yes, so just see, this is aqueous solution of one substance and this is gas. When it is supplied, then the precipitate of calcium carbonate is formed. Okay, so this is one of the example. And many other things are also there. Just see, this is copper sulfate. If H2S gas is supplied, so you will get the precipitate of copper sulfide H2SO4. 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 So this is aqueous solution only, aqueous, and what is this one? Gas, H2S, and the sign of precipitate formation is downwards arrow. What is the name of this substance? Copper sulfide. What is this one? Copper sulfide. What kind of PPT this one? The black PPT. The short form of precipitation reaction is PPT. Okay, PPT. Okay, so this is also one of the example, okay, of precipitation reaction. So I hope that you understood these two types of reactions. Now in upcoming video means next week I will teach you another types of reaction like displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and a redox reaction. So basically four types of reaction I have covered: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, neutralization reaction, and precipitation reaction. These four types I have completed. Now remaining three are there. What are those three? That is the displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and a redox reaction. Okay, the most important is redox reaction. So just this week you just tolerate, you understand in this way, and afterwards as usual I will start my teaching. Okay, so now note down today's questions also. There are some questions which I have to give you. Okay, so dear cadet, just note down some question. The first question is, what do you mean by neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction. Second question is, what do you mean by neutralization reaction? Give some examples. Okay, next question is, what do you mean by precipitation reaction? What do you mean by precipitation reaction? Give some examples. Okay, so please maintain the notes as already I have told you. Okay, and these notes are very, very important for you. Later on you need not to search here and there. Okay, so today just cover these two questions only. What do you mean by neutralization reaction? Whatever examples I have given you, explain with the help of those things. Next one is, what do you mean by precipitation reaction? So those examples only you have to tell. So now another types of reaction. Now three more reactions are there. That is double displacement reaction, and redox reaction. So in upcoming videos I will teach you. So thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Okay, I hope that you are healthy also. So thank you very much.